Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at an Olympiad problem. The question is given: solve x to the power of x plus y equal to y power 4, y to the power of x plus y is equal to x. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. Now, how to solve this problem? So, first of all, let us take it as 1 and let us take this as second equation. So, here first equation of x to the power of x plus y is equal to y power 4, taking log on both sides, So, here we'll get log of x to the power of x plus y is equal to log of y to the power of 4 x plus y log x is equal to 4 log y log x by log y is equal to 4 by x plus y. This can be written as log x base y is equal to 4 by x plus y. Now if you take the second term, second equation, y to the power of x plus y is equal to x, here also taking log on both sides, so log of y to the power of x plus y is equal to log x, x plus y into log y is equal to log x, x plus y is equal to log x by log y. Here also we'll get log x base y is equal to x plus y. So from this you can write the values of RHS are equal. Therefore, 4 by x plus y is equal to x plus y. X plus y whole square is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to plus or minus root 4. X plus y is equal to plus or minus 2. Now replace this value in equation 1. X to the power of 2 is equal to y to the power of 4. X square is equal to y square whole square. That implies x is equal to y square. So if you take minus 2, x to the power of minus 2 equal to y to the power of 4. So it is not possible here, positive negative values. Now replace this in this equation. So here you'll get y square plus y minus 2 equal to 0, y square plus 2y minus y minus 2 equal to 0, y into y plus 2 minus 1 into y plus 2 equal to 0, y plus 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0, y is equal to 1 or minus 2. That implies x is equal to 1 or 4. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1 or minus 2 comma 4. It does not satisfy. Therefore, the only solution is 1 comma 1. I hope this information is valuable for you. If you think so, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.